Right now there are only 2,100 yachts for sale. But why does it feel like every port is always full of yachts? Welcome to part 160 of the Yachting Playbook. The reality is very different. Globally, there are only around 10,000 yachts over 24 meters in existence. From those, only a fraction is on the market at the same time. That is why the number for sale is so low. Yachting is not a mass market. It is extremely niche. And if you want a specific model, you don't have hundreds of options like with a car. You can usually count them on your hands. Owning a yacht is still one of the highest levels of wealth and luxury. The ports look so full because there are a lot of small boats, but real yachts are actually pretty rare.